What's up, YouTube? How you doing? Okay, today I'm on my PC and it's kind of hard finding a screen record for my PC and I had to go through multiple softwares. All right, before I jump down into today's analysis and do a little bit of market review, just going to talk about the masterclass that is coming up, the trading masterclass that is coming up this month on the 12th of August. All right, this is the form if you want discounts for the class instead of the normal $70 that $70 payment for 3 months and every 3 months is $70. You can just take 75% off, and I think that will be around $17 or 17 points. You just make sure you have to fill all this form correctly: first name, last name, email address, and the major tax about this form is that you have to be following on all social media handles. We're talking Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. Okay, make sure you do this. All right, make sure you are following me on all social handles because if you don't, then you won't be able to get the discount. Okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. Yeah, let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, so make sure you follow me on all social media handles because you're going to paste your handle URL link, and my team would review this form whenever you fill it and click on submit. My team will review the form and then they would, you get an email saying, all right, you completed the task and this is the discount. You make payment and an official WhatsApp link, the class link would be sent to your email. You can join the WhatsApp group along with others. All right, it's 75% discount for a lifetime. Okay, it's not just your first payment; every other payment will be just 75% discount. So the first 3 months, 75% discount. Next and next and next, you're using the 75% discount because you have the link and you have the you did the tax. Okay, so while we waiting for this to load, let's jump right into this. I hope this one will load. Okay, so as of last week, Bitcoin was really down. Bitcoin was super down. It wasn't really funny for the crypto market, and I think I'll just start off with crypto. Okay, let's just start with crypto. Hold on, hold on. Okay, supposed to change here or not? Yeah. Okay, send super chat. So let me see what let me tell you what happened in the crypto market. I wasn't really active last week. I was a bit ill. But again, there's no issue. We're gonna look into it now. Next week would be a good week for us all. And we're looking at a very this is the weekly time frame on Bitcoin and we did see that. I remember on the last video I made, I did say Bitcoin was going to drop down to like this around that 54, 60, 54, around that area, and which it did. Although I'm still overall saying that based on my weekly time frame, okay, Bitcoin is coming down to 50K, 52K. I mean, around that range, okay, 50 between 50K to 48K. I'm still thinking, I'm not thinking, I'm still saying, hey, we will see Bitcoin dropping down to that. So that's why I'm just, hey, everybody put it in mind, all right? We are looking for a way for Bitcoin to go up. So don't just think, the only way is up. We also have downsides to the market. If you are holding a position, just hold tight, okay? And if you can still buy it, look, the market is in high fear right now. Okay, I can't pull up the fear. Let me see if I can pull up the fear and read in this. Maybe after the video. But market is in extreme fear, a little bit of extreme fear, but we're getting to extreme fear because by the time on this weekly time frame, if this liquidity is cleared, let me clean all of this. Sorry about that. If this liquidity, oh shit. Okay, thank you. If the liquidity here is cleared, then you'll see that the market will be in extreme fear. But again, I'm like, I'm cool, we chill, okay. I'm expecting the deep. I'm expecting that deep, so I'm not surprised. I'm expecting that deep to um 48K. Probably, who knows? It might get to 46K, but let's just wonder where this all ends. Okay, so is this still the best time to buy Bitcoin? Probably. You're still early. We are almost at 100K. We touched at 70K before the market actually dropped back down. So yeah, we look pretty much early. Let's check Doge. Let's see what's been happening with Dogecoin. I think Doge moves similarly to um, how Bitcoin moves. So yeah, we shouldn't be expecting that good movement from Doge. It's going to affect Doge a little bit more than we think. Oh, look at the puppy. Somehow that dog looks like Elon Musk. All right. Okay, so Dodge is doing well to me. It's looking fearful though, but I'm still saying this looks like the perfect time to buy in because the way I'm looking at it is following my analysis. I did say Doge was going to come down to this level. Let me zoom in a little bit. I did say yeah, Dogecoin was going to come down to this level, and which it did. No, nobody's arguing that fact. It did come down to this level, and then just the bear market happening. We're supposed to see that flush up, okay, but now it's flushing back down. So the bear market is on, and let's just see how August plays out for cryptocurrency. And let's just see how August plays out because if the bear market continues there, we'll see. We're likely to see Dot dropping back down to like let's just say 0.04, which I'm happy if Dot drops back down here. I'm still not sad about it. I am buying more. Okay, there are some tokens that when you just see them, you know that these tokens are gonna do well. You just know in the long run Doge is going to be the next big thing. So in the long run, yeah, buy some Dogecoin. It's not going to be hard. If you're here, okay, yeah, major loss. If you bought here, major loss. Yes, I get. But think about it. The crypto. If you're buying crypto, I'm talking about you're not investing. You're not trading the price like on futures. You're buying the assets. Okay, you're buying for long term gains, and tokens like Dogecoin, Shiba Inu are pretty much long term games. Sometimes I want to talk about Wakanda Inu, but Wakanda Inu, I don't see it going up in the next 5 years. I mean, I don't see Wakanda Inu and other kind of shit coins like that. But when I look at some tokens and I look at who are behind these tokens and what is really moving this token, I know that even if I have to wait like 2 more years, I know it's worth it. Okay, so Dogecoin very much fantastic. All right. Let's go to DXY. Let's see. Let's slowly move into forex. Yeah, DXY, DXY, DXY. I think this is it. Come on, load up. Yep, US dollar index. Before let's check Shiba. Why that loan is loading. Let's check Shiba. All right, Shiba Inu. I want to say it like them. I'm a Japanese. Shiba Inu. All right, so US dollar index, yes, yes, super chat. Let me close this one. This is of no use. All right, uh, it's taking time to load, taking time to load, taking time to load. All right, okay, so I'm just doing a little market review, and the NFP came. You see, something happened on Thursday, and something happened on Friday, and I would move down into the daily time frame. On the weekly time frame, we've seen overall bearish structure. On the weekly time frame, I still believe the on the weekly time frame, we should be expecting, since this is clear tomorrow, this new week, we should be expecting a little bit of gap up, probably a little bit of gap up. But I don't think because we already feel this imbalance here, then we should just be clearing the liquidity at the zone. So maybe this candle will stretch more. Think it's still moving. The weekly candle is about to end today, Sunday. The next weekly candle, we should be expecting maybe a little bit of stretch more down, and then by Monday, Tuesday, who knows, we get a little bit of bull run, fill it up, and then mm, we wonder where DXY is going next. It's the news. The news moves things. Okay, so I wasn't well on Thursday. The network was bad, so I wasn't able to actually even check what was going on in the market. And yeah, in Nigeria, there's a protest going on, and protest is making the network real bad at that time, and no one could really do stuff. Okay, so I'm looking. Friday was the NFP day, and you can see how the dollar dropped. Okay, the dollar dropped hard. It really dropped hard. Like I did not check the data, but I'm like this will cause a whole lot of movement next week. Okay, this will cause, and I don't see any possible retracement happening. I think this would really make way for bull movement for Euro USD and other peers, because other peers as at Friday were very bullish. Okay, so I'm thinking, and the way I'm looking at it, this will continue throughout the week. I mean, this will continue throughout this week. All right, we should be expecting more deep from the market depending on how we start Monday. Probably there's any news. Let me pull up my first factory. Let me pull up my first factory. Let's check. I don't know if there's any news coming up while we're waiting for that to load. Okay, first factory market news. Let's go to news while we're waiting for that to load. Yeah, so again, I'm just like, okay, this market structure, we broke this place, we cleared the liquidity at this zone, and we are coming back down. I'm still thinking the dollar will still probably jerk to like 102.00, but that's a long way down. And is there a chance for retracement for the dollar? Let's go to the 4 hour time frame. Let's probably there might be a solid retracement, but the way I still see it with the way the DXY dropped, uh-uh, even if we get a retracement, probably it won't be more than 103.623. I mean, for the week, we might be seeing that retracement because it has been selling off since Friday and Thursday, and then Friday. Then we'll be seeing that retracement. The market got to rest, take more liquidity out, and make it. Oh, it's going up because people are going to buy in right now to like probably get back in and trade. But I feel even if we get a retracement by Monday, Tuesday, the dollar would just probably get to average here. If we pull up the Fibonacci like from this candle to this candle, let's just see how far it goes. We'll be getting this as an average. I'll just put this as an average because that's a key level there. So I'm just like, okay, the market may be there, so I will just get to this level there and then probably pull back down because with how the news came out for DXY, I mean for the dollar or US dollar news, whatever NFP news, and the NFP data was bad. We are looking forward to dropping hard on DXY, and I've been saying this. Okay, I've been looking at bearish movement for DXY on the long run. I mean, I've also been looking at the bullish side of it, but most of the time we're looking at, we might be seeing more bullish bearish movement than bear. The only place I was like maybe DXY would go bullish was because I was trying to differentiate between DXY and XAUUSD, which is XAUUSD gold, and that's what I will pull up right now. Hold up. Okay, let me pull up gold. So as we all know, look, I keep saying that XAU USD, that's gold, is kind of like. Let me put this on full screen mode. Hold up. Come on, yeah, okay. So I've been saying that gold is kind of like very much bullish. Okay, let me put this to 1 day. All right, I've been saying gold. I mean, sorry, I said bullish. I've been saying gold is looking for a way to bear down. Okay, it's really doing so well that you have to be careful here. All right, we have to be careful because if we decide, let's say, okay, let's differentiate between the move of gold. Let me pull up Euro USD on my other charts here. Let me pull up Euro USD. So let's see if I'm logical to say, okay, maybe I'm right that gold would bottom down. Okay, so look at this. This is the weekly time frame. We'll do 1 week for this one here. Hold up. Oh, shit. Sorry about that. 1 week. Let's do 1 week. Okay, see, showing bullish structure. All right, it's showing the bullish structure. Euro USD showing more bullish structure. Let's just do a little bit of what is to happen. Now let's go to the daily time frame. Let's do daily time frame. Okay, I want to show you. I want to see if uh sorry, full screen mode. Okay, one day. Let's see how. Okay, look at this. The news came out bad for DXY, right? On the NFP results came out. Look at Euro USD maintained a spike. Did the dollar retrace? Nope. The dollar did not retrace as at Friday. It only lagged a little bit. And still on the daily time frame, did the gold spike up this Friday, this Thursday? The gold actually went up, right? But not as far as Euro USD is. So I'm still saying my bias is that if any good news comes out, any news that affects the dollar in any way that makes the dollar go green, maybe by accident, we will be seeing XAUSD gold dropping to the bottom. Okay, we'll be seeing that movement. We'll be seeing that strong pullback. And I'm like, when is it going to happen? I don't know. Probably next week, probably next 2 weeks. I don't know, but it's likely it could happen soon. I'm still expecting more bearish movement from gold, and that's why I've not been trading gold. I just ignore whatever I see and setup I see. I just ignore it. Okay, so if you look at this Friday, the NFP came out good. Friday NFP came out good, but it looks like nothing happened on gold. But it did. It spiked, but it didn't spike that tough. It didn't spike. And if we move down to the 4 hour, let's just check the 4 hour time frame. Yeah, you see that actually it did move, but not as much as you would think. Not as much as you would think. I mean, it didn't even go beyond this liquidity. It didn't even clear this liquidity. That's to show you that we are moving bearish for gold, and I'm still presuming that gold is bearish. So maybe this week I'll be looking for bear play. Who knows? Okay, my news is ready. Let's go to calendar. Sorry about that. Let's go to calendar. Let's check. What news do you think will affect the market? August 5th. Uh, August 5th and August 4th. So Monday 5th. Okay, no news. Tuesday. AUD. Wednesday, Thursday. Um, okay, unemployment claims coming up Thursday. Oh shit, this one might affect the. Okay, so we'll be looking at Thursday news. Okay, we'll be looking at Thursday news and probably this 7 p.m. I mean, this news doesn't look. It doesn't look like this Monday news doesn't look like it's going to affect. But FOMC is coming up, so it might not affect the market at that point, but aftermath, it will do one or two things. So, what are we expecting for the forex market overall? Overall for Euro USD, I'm expecting more bullish movement from Euro USD because if we go to the weekly time frame, okay, if we go to the weekly time frame, we'll see that. Uh, Excuse me. Yeah, okay. It came to my point of view here where I said Euro USD was going to retrace down to this level before at least going up, and it did that. It tapped into it, bam, it went up. All right. So the week was complete. Bullish movement ended, and what we expecting? I'm expecting another bull movement. All right, another bull movement. Maybe doesn't have to be a spike. Okay, and then we should be going up into the liquidity. I mean, yeah, that liquidity zone. Okay, we should be pulling into this zone plus resistance. There's a major resistance here, and I don't know if it's still not major, but it has been tapped into here. So I'm just like, there's a liquidity zone, and price is going to try to reach for this zone. But how long will it going to take? I don't know. Let's go back to the daily time frame. Okay, and I'm just doing this analysis for okay, you want to know what's gonna happen in the market in the next, just use it, add it to your trade, add it to your bias, you know what to do. And for the daily, maybe we might be seeing by Monday morning, probably by New York session, we should be seeing that early retracement down here. Okay, so I'll be waiting for retracement. We might clear this liquidity early morning. maybe London section. Yeah, we might clear this liquidity, but we'll be coming back down. Okay, yeah, we'll be coming back down, and then yeah, from Monday we would really know how far we would go. Maybe we'll tap into this resistance or tap into the liquidity. Yeah, I think there's a gap here. Yes, there's a gap here. So we should be aiming for 1.1. Yeah, 1.1. Let me mark that. Oh, sorry, I'm on full screen. I don't really know how to use the keyboard to break out the triangles. But since I'm done with this triangle, yeah, I will just take this triangle. I'll take this triangle. Okay, so there's a liquid there's a gap around this level on my daily time frame. All right, so yeah, we should be aiming for that level. We should be aiming for that level, and so probably expect a little drop down on Monday. Market has been green and then Friday. People want to take their profit and whoosh. So don't jump in. You wait, watch, then pick it up. So that's that about that. And for the crypto market, I'm still expecting more bear down. So if you're holding, hold tight. Okay, don't rush to sell because again, the crypto market is going to do well in the long run. All right, it's going to do fascinating. It's going to do super well in the long run. And don't forget to join the masterclass. All right, 75% off discount. Just make sure you're following the Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram handle. That's just all, and you get the 75% discount. You get to pay $17 for something that will earn you $100, more than $100 in a single trade. That's what you're paying for. Okay. All right, guys, that'll be all. And my name is Black on Apex. Do not forget to subscribe. All right. Like, comment. What pair do you think will do well this week? What pair do you think should do well in the long run? What cryptocurrency are you investing in? Let me know down in the comment section below. And have a blessed Sunday.